Clause 31 of the NEC4 Engineering and Construction Contract (ECC) is a key management tool. It is significant for planning and project controls. It is also important for contract management professionals. This overview explains Clause 31's central role in NEC4 ECC. Clause 31 specifies the requirements for the contractor's program. The program is treated as a dynamic management document under Clause 31. This dynamic approach is essential for effective time management. It also facilitates the control of project-related risks. Clause 31 aids in the assessment of changes throughout the project lifecycle. Therefore, Clause 31 is crucial for managing time, controlling risk, and assessing change effectively. Clause 31 is designed to foster effective project planning. It also aims to enhance transparency throughout the project lifecycle. This enables early detection of potential problems. Identifiable issues include delays, risks, and information dependencies. Addressing these issues proactively prevents major project disruptions. Clause 31 outlines the contractor's responsibilities regarding the project program. The contractor is responsible for the initial preparation of the program. The contractor must submit the program for approval. The contractor is responsible for regularly updating the program to reflect project progress. The contractor is accountable for the program's accuracy in representing the planned works. The contractor is responsible for ensuring the program's realism and feasibility. The project manager reviews the submitted program for compliance. The project manager either accepts or rejects the program. Reasons are provided if the program is not accepted. Acceptance confirms compliance with Clause 31 requirements. Without transferring risk, the program must clearly present key contract dates. It should illustrate the logic and sequencing of project activities. The program needs to include float and time risk allowances. Information requirements must be specified within the program. All constraints affecting the project timeline need to be identified. Assumptions made during the planning phase should also be documented. A program must clearly define key contract dates for effective time management. These dates include the starting date, marking the commencement of the project. Access dates specify when resources or locations become available for the project. The completion date indicates the final deadline for project deliverables. Planned completion dates represent intermediate milestones or phases within the project timeline. Key dates serve as significant checkpoints, forming the baseline for monitoring progress and controlling time. Project schedules must demonstrate clear logical links between activities. These links enable the project manager to understand the construction sequence. Understanding the sequence is crucial for effective project management. Clear logic also helps identify potential delay points in the schedule. Clause 31 requires the demonstration of float and time risk allowances in project planning. This promotes more realistic project planning and effective risk management strategies. Float is a period of time within the project schedule that is not owned by either the client or the contractor. Float is used to manage uncertainty and potential delays that may arise during the project. The program identifies essential information needed from the client. It also establishes required delivery dates for this information. This proactive approach helps prevent potential project delays. This is closely linked to early warning procedures under Clause 15 for risk management. Clause 31 emphasizes the importance of transparency regarding project constraints. It also highlights the need for clear articulation of underlying assumptions. This transparency allows the project manager to identify and address potential issues early on. Early challenge of issues avoids surprises and complications later in the project lifecycle. Programs require regular updates to accurately reflect project status. Updates should incorporate changes in project logic and compensation events. These updates are crucial for maintaining real-time project control. Consistent updates ensure the program remains aligned with actual progress. Early warnings significantly influence project sequencing and completion. The program evaluates various mitigation options to address potential risks. Risk impacts are thoroughly tested within the program framework. Clause 31 is linked with Clause 15 to enable proactive risk management strategies. This linkage ensures a comprehensive approach to identifying and addressing risks. The integrated approach enhances the program's ability to anticipate and mitigate potential issues. An accepted program is essential for evaluating compensation events. The program demonstrates the entitlement to time extensions. It also facilitates the accurate assessment of change impact. A well-defined program serves as a baseline for measuring deviations. This baseline is crucial for determining the extent of compensation due. Therefore, the program is integral to fair and efficient project management. A program may be rejected due to missing logical steps or flawed reasoning. Unrealistic duration estimates for tasks can also lead to non-acceptance. The absence of float, indicating schedule and flexibility, is another reason. Incomplete information or failure to accurately reflect progress can result in rejection. Clause 31 of the NEC contract emphasizes proactive planning and project management. It promotes collaborative working relationships among project stakeholders. Effective implementation of Clause 31 leads to a reduction in project-related disputes. Clause 31 enhances predictability in project outcomes and timeline. It reinforces the NEC contract's core philosophy of management-focused project delivery. Ultimately, Clause 31 contributes to more efficient and successful project completion.